So ito ang gagawin nyo if you want to add or if you want to edit your menu. Okay? This time we're going to go dito sa dashboard nyo and then go sa menus. And then in here, you will be able to see, no, you can create multiple menus, okay, depending on the location. So, normally, we do have mga main menu. Yan yung nandito sa taas. Ito, yung home, about, pricing, yan yung main menu natin, which you can see here. If you want to add pages or want to add items sa menu mo, you can click here. If you created new pages, lalabas yan dito sa most recent mo. If not, you can add custom links, no? For example, let's add a parang default lang, sample menu. Ayan. So if we add to menu yan, you can see that here, no? Naka-check mark yung primary menu for dito sa taas. Okay, yan yung primary menu natin. Off canvas menu, that means that is for the mobile menu. So it's basically the same. We're assigning yung main menu natin to be the mobile menu. Okay? If we save that, you'll see the changes here. Let's refresh. Ayan, lalabas dito yung sample menu natin. If you want yung naka-drop down siya, you can actually just drag and drop, no? Example, dito naka-drop down siya sa pricing. You can save menu, and then pagka-refresh mo, it will show as a drop down, no? So this one, you will play with it sa customize, no? Yung coloring dito or yung color niya. Ayan.